Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use iMessage on iPhone. Messaging features explained step by step clearly. First, open the Settings app and tap Messages to access iMessage options. Turn on iMessage and wait for activation to complete using Wi-Fi or cellular data. Tap Send and Receive to choose which phone numbers and email addresses can send and receive iMessages. Make sure your Apple ID is signed in, because iMessage works through your Apple account. Open the Messages app from the home screen to start sending messages. Tap the Compose button in the top right corner to create a new conversation. Enter a contact name, phone number, or email address that is linked to iMessage. Type your message in the text field and press the send arrow to deliver it. Notice that blue bubbles mean iMessage, while green bubbles mean standard SMS or MMS. To send a photo or video, tap the plus button and choose Photos. Then select your media. To take a new picture instantly, tap Camera, capture the shot, and tap Send. To share your location, tap the contact name at the top. Then choose Send My Current Location. To record a voice message, tap and hold the audio icon. Speak and release to send. To react to a message, press and hold it. Then pick a tap back like heart or thumbs up. To reply to a specific message in a busy chat, press and hold it. Then tap Reply. To forward or copy text, press and hold a message. Tap More. Then choose your action. To delete a message, tap and hold it. Tap More. Select it. And tap the trash icon. To create a group chat, compose a new message and add multiple recipients before sending. To name a group, open the group. Tap the top area. Then tap Change Name and Photo. To add or remove people in a group, tap the top area. Then use Add Contact or Remove. To mute a conversation, open it. Tap the top area. And enable Hide Alerts. To pin important chats, press and hold a conversation in the list. Then tap Pin. To search old messages, pull down in the Messages list and type a keyword or contact. To use iMessage apps and stickers, tap the plus button and browse installed apps. To send Apple Cash or request money where available, open the plus menu and select Wallet. To enable Read Receipts, go to Settings, Messages, and turn on Send Read Receipts. To enable typing indicators and better syncing, keep iMessage on and use the same Apple ID on devices. To fix common issues, check Internet, restart iPhone, confirm date and time, and verify send and receive settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.